I'm not gonna lie to you guys right now, I am not doing well mentally, and let me show you why. What a way to start the vlog. Here's why. I can't take it anymore. I feel like my apartment has not actually been clean in months. I clean it, I tidy it, I put things away, and by that I mean I just move things around to other places, not actually put them away or find them a place. It's a very small apartment, so it's extremely easy for it to get really messy really fast. If just a couple things are out of place, it looks cluttered because it is so small. So I filmed 2 videos today. My apartment is an absolute disaster. It's midnight right now. I should be going to bed because I have to wake up tomorrow and edit said videos. And then I have other things, like I have things to do, but I am at the point right now in my life that I cannot rest in this establishment when it looks like this. Like if you guys know what I mean by this, then you know, like my chest genuinely feels like tight in here right now because it feels that cluttered and I cannot rest. I'm not doing well. I have been just putting this off for so long and I'm at the point right now I have to clean everything. I don't care what time it is, I have to because I can't. I think we've all been here. We've all been to this point. It's like, f it, I'm just gonna go. And I decided to film this because I feel like it's gonna give me motivation to actually complete it because now I'm being held accountable to you guys. Something has to give. Like we have to figure something out. My problem is that I have so many f***ing clothes. Oh, I don't even want to, I forgot to show you guys the closet. That's the worst part. How did I overlook that? Oh, because I've been ignoring it for months. So here's the closet, right? First of all, there's all these shoes that I have to like literally kick. I don't even have room. Ew, sorry, my feet are out. That's disgusting. No free feet pics. Okay, better. Anyway, here's the closet, right? It has looked like this for months. I have been literally meaning to list 90% of this on Depop for months. I went through my closet ages ago. I keep going through it. Oh, like let's not even mind the underwear drawer that's sticking out because I have so many socks in here that they've fallen behind the drawer. So I can't close it completely because there's like 1 or more socks behind it. So I literally have to take the whole thing apart in order to do that. Oh, and also this bottom drawer is protruding for the exact same reason because there's a sock behind it. There's no room for anything. What the f? I just have random pillows here. I need to move those so that I can store other shit in my closet. What is all of this? This literal square of things, this pile of things, I have just been sliding around the floor for months. I am really exposing myself here, but in the spirit of honesty, someone has to say it, and it is time for me to come clean to you guys. Breaking my silence. This is a mess. I don't even know what to do. I feel like throwing up. Looking at this, the closet is packed to the brim. This side, oh look at this, pushing more, the same shoes to the other side. Why don't I just put them away? Like, be serious. Then there's this purse that's out here because it doesn't fit on any of these purse hooks. But then there's this shit from the other side, all the bags that I've been meaning to sell that are overflowing into this side. It is really not good. If you can't tell, I'm in a very fragile state of mind right now. This is not good for me. I'm just at the point where I cannot do this anymore. The problem with the closet is that I can't list any of this stuff on Depop right now because I'm going home for Thanksgiving. Christmas? Tomorrow. So I can't even do anything about it. Like, they're just gonna have to sit there. I would love to see the floor of my closet. Like, is that so much to ask? I feel like I'm on FaceTime, and you know what? That's what I need right now. Thank you so much for listening to my rant. I really needed to say all of that. And now I need to clean. I think the problem is that, I mean, in addition to the other 75 problems I just said, I think another huge problem that I have is that I have things, but I never have established a place for them, or I quite literally just don't have a place for them. Maybe I feel like I don't have anywhere to store them because all of my storage options are already at max capacity. So I just feel like I have things, and then every time I look at them and I'm like, okay, I need to do something about this. I'm like, okay, but what? like where exactly am I putting it? Because if I were to put it in this specific place, there's already too much shit in there and it's overflowing, there's no room. So then I'm like, what do I do? Then it just sits there for months. And then I get to a point like this where that's happening with multiple different things around the apartment and it's all a mess. I'm also sweating. I don't know why I put a sweatshirt on. I don't know which room to even start with. The bathroom maybe, because it's the smallest, and then work our way inward. That could work. All right, let's get to it. I mean, we're not getting any younger. Okay, I actually decided that I need to give Charlie her treat first. You're currently sitting on her cat stand, but it is way past her treat time, so I feel bad. And I need to give her a treat before I start doing all this. Come on, Charlie. Good girls. I don't really know how to film in the bathroom because it's so tiny that there's literally nowhere to put the camera. First thing I'm gonna do is put this toilet paper away because it's just sitting there. Why is it just sitting there? That was easy. See, most of these things are all little, but the combination of a bunch of little things makes a big thing. And that can work in a good way or a bad way. In this case, it's a bad way because if a lot of little things are out of place, I need a better system in here, I really do. Okay, the bathroom feels better already, and see, it really wasn't that hard. Now I'm moving on to the living room, and I'm gonna start off easy, aka with the clothes. All the clothes have a place that they need to be in, and I know what the place is. Okay, I need to make piles. This is what I always do when I have a lot of clothes in here and I need to distribute them quickly. I make piles. So this needs to be washed. This is staying in the living room because it goes in there, so I'm gonna put it on the couch. And before I do that, I'm gonna put this away because it's been sitting on the couch, and while I do use it a lot, it's really not that hard to just open up the ottoman, put it in there, and then take it back out when I want to use it. Easy. Okay, that's it for that. That stays here. These are laundry. These I also probably should wash, so laundry. So there's 3 piles. Staying in here, hanging up in the bedroom, or laundry. Let's just keep on going. I don't remember wearing this, so that's gonna stay here. I don't know why it's out. This is hung up, but does it need to be? I think I need to start thinking that too, because obviously I'm running out of hangers. So like, if I can store things in here, I will, but also my sweatshirts drawer is pretty full. I'll see what I can do. I'll just put it here for now. I also don't remember wearing this, but it kind of feels like it needs to be washed, so I'm gonna put it in the laundry pile. Why is all this even on the floor is a great question. I don't know. That's not what we're pondering right now. This stays here. Half of this shit I feel like is stuff that I tried on and then decided against wearing. Oh, there's a t-shirt in here. Bedroom. Is this all bedroom? Pause. Everyone, hold on. This is all bedroom, I believe. This needs to be washed. I just don't know how to wash it. Are there instructions? Turn garment inside out. Machine wash cold. Lay flat to dry. Do not tumble dry. Okay, thank you for telling me. The more you know. This, I already know, needs to go in the laundry pile. This I wore for literally an hour, so these jeans stay here. Okay, so this basket is for the bedroom. These are laundry, which I'm gonna do laundry tomorrow because it's literally midnight, and the whole cycle kind of takes a while because I have to dry things twice because they don't completely dry the first time, so it'll be hours before it's done. So that's on my list for tomorrow. These things are going in the hamper. It already looks more open and better. These shoes that are in this corner, I'm taking home. So I need to find a bag or something, put all the things I'm taking home. I'll put them in this bag for now. I know there's gonna be way more stuff. While we're on the topic of things that need to be sent home with me, I also have this that I want to gift to my mom. Don't look, okay? I'm gonna put the things, hi girlie, that I'm bringing home for her, and any other gifts that I find in this bag because that's just gonna be easier to separate them. Okay, then these things in front of me, I am also gifting to them, to my family. So I'm bringing those home too. I need to put this back in the box. Talking through this is actually helping me in a weird way. So hopefully that's okay with you guys. My mom knows I'm giving this to her, but I'm still gonna wrap it and pretend like it's a surprise. Because I love wrapping things. That's another fun fact about me that nobody asked for. All right, both of these things are going home. So that cleaned up at least something over there. I need to fold all of these clothes because they're going in my dresser. I really want to turn on the Harry and Meghan documentary again because I've been watching that all night. The tea is getting hot right now, but I kind of fear that I will not clean and I'll just sit and watch it. And I'm also going into my bedroom as soon as this is done. My TV is not my bedroom, so that would make no sense. The clothing part is probably the easiest part of cleaning for me because I know exactly where everything goes. Every single article of clothing has a place. I know where the place is. I don't even have to think about it. The problem is the things that don't have a place, because then I have to find a place, and it's hard when you don't really have much room. And that's why I need to just get rid of everything that I own, I think, because living a life where I don't have room to store things is not a life I should be living. I want to feel light and minimal, and I am pretty much the opposite of that, which is unfortunate, especially considering I had a blank slate. I'm not trying to like be mean to myself right now, but I'm just saying I had a blank slate when I moved into this apartment, and somehow it has become a cluttered mess. I have an issue for some reason getting rid of things for a multitude of reasons. I have issues with that. That's probably why we are where we are today. Right, Charlie? Now I just put the clothes that I just folded away, which also I do need to go through these drawers very soon because they are full of things and I really need to go through them and get rid of things so that I have more space. But I'm not doing that shit at midnight. Like, that is an undertaking that I'm gonna have to try things on, and I'm not in the mood to try anything on right now. I'm trying to practice like deep breaths while I do this. God bless. We just have a couple more things in here that we need to address. The thing about me when I get in these moods is I'm cutthroat. I just want to throw everything away. I don't care. I want to get rid of everything. Like, this box, I mean, it's beautiful, but it's a box. It's a box, and everyone's like, you should keep it. It's like limited edition. It's the holiday one. It's a box. Like, where am I putting it? I just don't understand. Like, I have the bag. Like, why do I need the box? You know what I mean? In this bag are a bunch of things I need to return. These are Abercrombie. I think I'm just gonna bring these home and ship them home. At least I went through all of that. Now I feel better. I got rid of some things. I'm like running out of steam quickly, you guys. I have like one more thing in the living room that I need to find a place for, but I'm happy with what I did. This isn't a deep clean, it's just a clean, but a thorough one, and like a very much putting things away, organizing our lives. I feel good about it. Let's start off by addressing the elephant in the room, which is this jacket, and that's taking up half the camera frame. Okay, we've gotten to the bedroom portion of this. The reason we're already at the bedroom portion is because I'm tired and I really, really want to go to bed. So we're gonna do our best. Other jacket. I really need to get into the pattern of just putting things away as soon as I take them off. That would really minimize this as an issue. Like, I just feel that that would really help, because then I don't accrue the clutter because I'm putting things away as I go. It's being proactive instead of reactive. I need to start doing that. The problem is that in the moment I'm too lazy, but that obviously backfires in the form of me having nights like this where I'm cleaning my room at midnight because I cannot stand it anymore. I don't know, I need to like grow up, really, is what it comes down to. Again, we'll do a deep clean another time. This is not a deep clean, it's literally 1 a.m. so I just want to go to bed at this point. I need to work on clothes first, right, Charlie? We're doing clothes first. So this is the basket that I brought in of everything I need to hang up. I'm just gonna make piles of where everything needs to go. Again, we love organizing. On this side of the closet is one pile. I don't think there are any other jackets that I need to put over there, so I guess it's all just gonna be this pile. Or if it needs to go in my Alex drawers, I'm gonna put that stuff over here. I want to bring this home. The lighting in here is bad, but it's also, again, the middle of the night. All right, how many things do we have here to hang? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's see if I have 7 hangers. The odds aren't great. 1, 2, 3. We have 3. I need 7. Oh, I'm gonna be getting rid of some shit. I already know it. 4. Can I get 5? I need to get rid of some. 5! Woo! I've never worn this. I'm just gonna take it out of my closet and put it at home. That was 6. Oh yeah. I meant to keep this at home, but I accidentally got brought here. So 7. Also, it's just easier for me to donate a lot of stuff when I am visiting home because I have my car. I can just throw everything in a bag, throw it in my car, and drive it over instead of having to like walk with a big ass bag of stuff. I'm just like too lazy. That's the problem. See, this is what happens. This is the point in the night where I usually, if I have clothes set out on my bed that I had the intention of putting away, I'm tired, so I will just put them back on the floor so that I can go to bed. And then I never end up actually putting them away. They just move from my bed to the floor, back to my bed, back to the floor. I mean, I know these things about myself too. Like, I'm self-aware. I'm just too lazy in those moments to do something different, which is the problem. Like, obviously that's where I need to make the change because then it sets future Hannah up for this. And I talked about in day number 2, my night routine, how I should be doing things to benefit future Hannah. Yay guys, this is good. Woo! Woo! I put my glove away. Thank God. That was very much needed. Oh my God, I want to fall down and sleep so bad in this moment. I need to put some things away at my desk. Exhibit A, all of this. Next issue is that I don't know if I want to keep this case because it's for these headphones that are up here, the black ones. But this case is so big and I don't have anywhere to put it. I know that it's good for traveling though. I need to find a place for it. That's another thing. Like, if something doesn't already have a place, I don't know what to do with it. It makes me anxious. Like, it simply doesn't have a place. I don't know what to do with it. I'm tired. Okay, I'm getting irritable. I really should go to bed. I feel so much better that at least it looks like this and not what it looked like before. Right, Charlie? Do you feel better? I think she does. There she is. Charlie. Hi, sweet girl. Okay. Okay, good work, team. I'm happy. I'm about to get in my bed. I will sleep better. I really wanted to change my sheets, but I'm not in the mood for that. I'm tired as f, so good night.